Health is a journey, not a destination. So imagine taking the journey of health with us, with a coach who's completely dedicated to navigating with you, and with a group of like-minded individuals, people who are taking the same journey with the same destination in mind, instead of all of the frustration that you probably feel right now, going to so many different specialists, each of them with a very narrow focus and limited time to give to you. And maybe you're doing your own research and you just end up frustrated because everything you read contradicts everything else and none of it is comprehensive. It's all a very narrow focus. So imagine, instead of that, if you could walk the journey of health with us. Our focus is a very comprehensive program in our Forever Young Academy, a program that will help you to feel forever young. We will teach you so many things about diet and exercise and mindset, and really focusing on cellular inflammation, which is the cause of probably 90% of the degenerative conditions that we're facing today. So we're getting upstream to the cause of the problem, not focusing on symptoms. When you remove the interference, God designed the body to heal, and that's the foundation of everything we do. So we'll be teaching you, of course, all of the basics of eating and mindset and exercise, but all kinds of science about how toxins in your everyday environment damage your body at the cellular level, and every one of your organs is made up of cells. That's why people continue to get a longer and longer and longer list of symptoms, more and more symptoms. But let's go upstream and remove the cause. So we have these pillars, these courses in our academy, plus lots of individual videos. You can purchase some of them just one at a time if you just want to take a sample. But the value is in the community. We will have coaching calls online live once a month, Q&A calls. We'll also have guest speakers. We will be keeping you with the state of the art, the latest science in true healthcare. And lots of little sessions along the way. So you will get a truly comprehensive program, taking the journey with other individuals who have the same purposes as you, in a group where we're working together so that we can stay forever young feeling. I hope you'll join us on the journey, because you'll get such better results in a community.